Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I'm going to be sharing with you is just what I did differently after learning some tips on how to start a YouTube channel, or as in this one, relaunch it. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you those tips that I did, how I started, hopefully in a more informed way, and let's get started. Okay, so first of all is why did I keep this channel? So to give you a little bit of backstory is that I did start this channel about 6 months ago, and it was a book channel, and to be honest, it just didn't take off. I ended up with 5 subscribers, and I stayed with 5 subscribers the whole time, and I would only get views here and there. It was just kind of like a dead channel, and so I lost the motivation for it, but I didn't close it out. I just left it dormant, and the reason was because I knew at some point I'd probably start another channel, but I just wasn't sure when. And when I did decide to start one, I wanted to be a little bit more calculated and to have the right purpose behind it. So that's what I did. So as you know, I started this channel up not too long ago, and it's going to be focusing more on my YouTube monetization updates, but off my main channel. But I thought it'd be kind of fun to do it on this one too, just to see which one starts to do better first. And so that's really why I kept it. I was able to hide all my videos and stop getting views on them and stuff like that. And at some point the views has been long enough. I think there was only 2 views left on it from the old channel. And my subscribers though, like I said, I had 5, and I can't get rid of those 5, and it really doesn't make a difference, you know, because 2 of them are me from my other channels. One's my sister, one's my daughter, and the other one is a colleague. So I know that it's better to start fresh, because that's one thing that I've learned is don't get your family and friends involved in as your subscribers, because they're going to subscribe because they like you, they love you, but more than likely they're not going to watch your videos. And so it's going to bring down the algorithm, the YouTube powers that be. They're going to be like, oh, people don't like this video, and so they're not going to push it out. But I knew that I'm going to watch my videos, and I knew for sure that my sister would watch it. Okay, as you know, subscribers are a big one. So if you are starting a new channel or relaunching a new one, okay, you want to try to avoid asking family and friends to subscribe to your channel. That's one thing, because unless you know for sure that they are going to watch your videos, like my sister does. She'll watch it. Even if she's not that interested, she'll watch the whole thing and stuff like that. So it's not going to affect it negatively. However, if you have family and friends like my sister did with hers, she has a lot, but they didn't end up watching it. So it's done not as well as it could have. Next thing is, let me show you. I'm going to go to my YouTube analytics so I can explain a little bit more. So this is the channel. The first thing I did was I did redo my name, Shell's YouTube journey now. And we're going to go ahead, go to my channel. And I did go here where I added the description. I want to make sure that was done before I even relaunched. And I actually used ChatGPT for help on this and gave me some ideas about my banner. That was another thing that ChatGPT helped me with. And the other thing that ChatGPT helped me with, which is very important, you want to make sure you have it available before you even launch your channel to the public. So we're back in YouTube dashboard. So you want to go to settings, you want to go to basic information and put in your channel tags. And I did ask ChatGPT again to help me out with the channel tags. You want to make sure that stuff is uploaded before you do anything. Don't launch it until you have that, because you need to help YouTube, especially if you're a new channel, where to send your new videos. So that way it gets to the right people. And the other thing that I did was I made sure that I had 2 videos to start with. So you can see right here my 2 videos. Okay, so we have my main channel was struggling, so this is why I did this video. And then I did my honest YouTube monetization. This one was actually ready to go on my other main channel when I started to really think about it. I've been getting some help from a YouTuber who has 17 years experience, and he was doing a video, and also we met one-on-one, and he sent me a recording, and as I was listening, I realized that this type of video is probably hurting my main channel because my main channel is about finances and this is about YouTube monetization, but I'm not monetized yet. There's no money involved. And maybe they're not that interested because it wasn't getting very many views. It was a low engagement. So I kind of was like, you know what? I'm going to make this its own channel. And so I have views 8. Now, I got to be honest, like 3 of them or 4 of them are me. And 5, and again, 3 or 4 of them are me. One's my sister. So I have a few that are, I would say, authentic, but I wanted to get it started kind of thing. And the comments from me. So that's kind of where it's at. Let's look here at the analytics. And so I have 1.2. Now here's what's nice is I do have a subscriber. This is a new one. This is an authentic subscriber. Once I put this one up, I ended up he or she watched my video, liked it, and then subscribed. So that was really amazing for me to start. Now, I have noticed that when it went up and stuff, July 28th, it hasn't really gotten any new views from then. But this video will be my 3rd. And let's go ahead and go to earn. And so you can see here, eligibility. I have my 6 subscribers. I need to get 500 for the first level. And I have 2 videos, so this will be 3rd. So this one will be completed. And then I'm continuing to work on the watch hours. And so I do have 1.2, but it hasn't, they haven't verified it yet, so it's not showing yet, but it will. And then, of course, working on here. So this is a great way to start. Now let's look at my total dashboard, my channel analytics. And this is our starting point. 16 views. However, that's not accurate because, like I said, there was like 2 views from my carrying over. So it's actually 14 views. It says 1.4 watch hours. And then, of course, my 1 subscriber. And so today is July 30th. And so we're going to see how I improve this channel, how it grows, hopefully. But I'm just going to give it time. I'm just going to let it be authentic. You know, granted, when I do my videos, I'm going to make sure I watch my videos. It gives it a couple extra views. And my sister will watch it and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm not asking anybody else. No, it's all going to be authentic. And we're going to see, as I learn more about YouTube and apply it here and apply it to my main channel, we'll kind of see how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was more just back to looking at what I'm doing. And hopefully you can take some information from it and continue working on your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bye.